Alright, right now I'm going to show you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. As I have a Z speed cube, this works for any cube, it's just, yeah. Also, I'm going to do a 2x2 tutorial soon, and I'll do a 4x4 also. But let's get straight into solving the Rubik's Cube. So the first step is to create a white cross. What I mean is these edge pieces here, these four, you're going to put them all white, and they're all going to be like, this is going to be white, and that's going to be green on the green side. Same for every single part on this. So first, if there's something like this, like if you turn it up like this, it's not going to be on that. What to do is you turn it to the side right next to it. See, white, blue, it'll go here. So what you do is you turn it like this, and then that. Now it's on that. And see this green? This is white green. So you want to turn this upside down and turn it this. You turn it up. And then you find another like white orange. You turn it to the orange side and turn it up. And then there's a white that. If it's like this and you don't want to mess like turn it and stuff, you can just turn it like this. Turn it down, turn it up, and now it's on the bottom. Then you can go like this and turn it up. Then you would have a white cross. I will also show you, if you don't understand this video, and I'll have another person, one a really fast speed cuber, my favorite speed cuber. I will have a link in the description for his 3x3 tutorial if he has one. I don't know. He said he did tutorials. And also, if you can't understand the videos, I'll have a website to where I got this method from. And it's really easy to understand. It just shows like the pictures of where you turn it and all that. So after you have the white, if you don't understand this and you want to watch this, all you gotta do is rewind this video. Now that you have the white cross, you want to put the white corners like this. There's a white, green, and orange. To put it on the bottom, like right here, where it doesn't mess up with the white cross, simply turn it down right here, turn this, and turn that. Then it's right here, the white, green, and orange. Then you want to turn it to the green and orange corner. See, that's orange side, that's the green side. You get the white and green orange corner, then you take this, and this is even easier than the other algorithm. Just turn it down, and right there, turn it up, and then you have that white corner there. Let's find another corner, like here, white, blue, and orange. Yours is not going to have a Z on it, unless you do have a Z cube. But this, you turn it like that. So it's on there. Then you turn it to the blue and orange side right here. Then you do the same thing you did last time. That. Also, it could be like on the bottom here and it's on the right side. Simply just turn it like this. So it's right there. And then you turn this twice and it should be right there. Also, if it's like this and it won't like turn to the side, you can simply go like this. So it's right under it. Don't turn this down like this. But yeah, like when it's there, you turn and then you turn this down, and the white's right there. Turn that way. Simply there. Now we only have white, one more, green and red here. Then you turn it and simply do the same thing. And now you would have the whole top layer here, so, and the white side on the correct side here. After you've finish that, what you would do is turn it upside down like this, where the yellow side is on top. And this, you're going to have to know an algorithm that I will show you. So first of all, you have blue and orange, right? It does not work if there's a yellow here. You have a blue and orange. So what you want to do is turn it this way. What we're doing in this step is solving the middle. So like here, 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 all in the right color and the right edge piece. So here, what you want to do is like if it's there, you want to turn it to the blue side, right? So it's like connected part. And then you see it. Make sure you want it to be like right there, but you don't want to mess anything up. So what you would do is turn it this way. It's like that. It's right, and then the edge piece is right there. You turn this up, and then turn that way, and then you turn this way, this way, this way, that way. And then you turn it down. And see, now that piece is in the correct place. Now, if you're trying to piece on this side instead of this way, what you would do is go like, you turn it this way instead, then turn this up, do that again. It's the same thing but the opposite direction. And now see, we have this middle layer solved. Now you want to find another one. Like this, that, 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 and that. If you have just only yellows, like for example, if you have a yellow side, like this is you only had yellows, and so what you're gonna do is find a piece that's not the correct edge piece in, and you would just put that in place. So you would not put it this way. So if it was right here, you would want to turn it this way to put that in that place, and do the algorithm from here, like this. And the yellow would be there piece. And then you could find another. Usually you would find another. If it doesn't work, then just do the same algorithm again. So then you would see it's red blue, like right here. So you would turn it again like this. So it's over here. Then you turn that, this, that, this, and that. Then I have the middle layer solved. This, 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 and this. Okay. There will be 3 different ways you could do this. Well, the different appearances of the yellow. So I'm going to go through all of them. Okay, so this is like this, okay? So if it's like this, then you can go like turn this face like that. And you can turn this way, this way, this way where it's like that, then turn this down and that. Then you would have a yellow cross. But I'm going to show you the other appearances that you could have. Okay, say you have this yellow line here. There's a tiny bit of a difference. It's just like the same algorithm, but there's like 2 differences. So you turn it this way, and then turn it up, and turn it this way, turn this down, turn it that, and that. Then you would have the yellow cross. But there's one more appearance. Okay, so just say there's a yellow dot here. You would do the same algorithm for this. This, 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 and this. The yellow cross. But then after you have that yellow dot, it would look like this again. That yellow part, you would just do the same algorithm that you did. So now I have a yellow cross. We have a yellow cross, okay? So, say I have this yellow side here. Just make sure it's facing this way. And you can turn it like this, 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 and then turn this twice. It may take more than one try to do this algorithm to solve this the whole yellow side here. You could turn it, do it again, like that. Alright, so then you would have the yellow side. But there is another appearance. Okay, say that you have this yellow cross. What you want to do is turn the yellow side where the yellow is facing this way. Like this. Don't do it like this because it can just mess up. You turn it this way, and you can turn this, 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 this. Okay, then you would have this. There are other appearances, but all you do is just to do the algorithm until you get just that plus sign with that one dot there. Like taking these out, it's just like this, the yellow cross with that one little yellow piece there. Or you could have the other thing. But just do the algorithm and stuff, and then it would work. Now that we have this, the next thing we're going to have to do is solve the yellow, not the yellow. The whole, these corner pieces are on the right side. These two, on all sides, except the yellow and the white. So, what you want to do is find two of the edge pieces like this. It does not have to be solved. There could be like one, like blue here, for example. So you could have, make sure, if there's two of these in the right place, you just turn it to the correct side until it's like this. There can still be like a blue here. It'll still work because these two are in the right place and they're on the orange side. Then you want to turn it to the back, where it's in the back, and do this algorithm. This, 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 that, that, that. Turn it twice again, and this way. Now, you would have one solved side, and all these on different sides. Okay, so what you would do is, if it was going this way, then you would turn it like this, 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 that, turn it that way, up, 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 and you would have a solved cube. But, say that it's going this way, like the blue has to go that way, so you would turn that way. You just do the same thing, like turn it this way, but you turn it this way, turn it the other way, turn it, and you would have solved the Rubik's Cube. If you do not understand this video, there I'll have the website and Felix Sendek's tutorial if he has one. The fastest cube in the world, in my opinion. And that's how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I will do a 2x2 video and a 4x4 once I learn, and 5x5 once I learn that. If you know how to solve a 4x4 and a 5x5, you practically know how to solve any cube. It's just the same thing from a 4x4 and 5x5. Thanks for watching. You can watch this video over and over again. Tell your friends that you can solve a Rubik's Cube now. Bye.